Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you're having a fun day. Today I'm gonna be showing you my slime. But first, I got a new camera, so I'm gonna show you guys. Do you like it? It's a really nice camera. And also, I have my phone turned on and it shows me what I'm recording, so I kind of know what I'm doing. I don't know how to explain it, but okay, I'm gonna show you my slime now. Okay. So, this is my slime. It's slime from Playdoh, and I really like it. So I'm going to show you guys it today. Now we're going to put you guys right here. And here's my phone. I got to move my phone right here. And I'm going to show you guys this new slime that I have. Making sure it's recorded. Alright, so I'm going to show you this new slime. So you open the lid, voila. And now we're going to pour it out. So watch this, guys. It's coming out. Whoa. Pretty satisfying. Pretty cool. Okay. We're going to take the rest out by hand. It gets your hands all wet, so you're going to have to be careful when you have this stuff. All right. So, I have this slime. It's super wet. So, we're going to get you guys a little close. I'm not going to put the camera in the slime because that's not good. It will probably break the camera. But I'm going to put it near you guys. It's super wet and weird. And you can't make it into a ball because it will just flop back into a weird position. It's super stretchy too, but it breaks pretty easy like this, like in half. It kind of looks like a booger, and it feels like a booger because it's super moisty. My hands are literally wet right now. But this slime's super cool. It's really, like, I don't know how to explain it. It's just super weird. And guys, I don't know if you can hear it, but I want you to listen to this. Sounds super duper weird and kind of disgusting. Slap it. Super slappy. So yeah, guys, so there's my new goopy weird slime. I really like it. I think it's a really cool new thing. Now, it's very weird. So, yeah, it's super weird. I don't really recommend it that much because it's kind of weird. Just watch it slowly. See, it's like slowly moving. Like it's kind of weird kind of slime. But yeah, so I think that may have to be it for a new video. I hope you guys like my new camera and my new slime. Let's put it back in this container here. You can just watch it flop back in. And shut the lid. And yeah. So if you guys like my new camera, my new slime, please like and subscribe. And yeah. And before I go, quick thing to show you guys. So yeah. I can see what I'm doing on my phone, which is super cool. And yeah, so that's gonna be it for my video. So bye-bye.